What up? Had to make another video today just because everything's going so crazy right now. I'm gonna start this off just by highlighting a couple of my favorite memes right now, just because they're freaking going crazy. Like, if you go to the day chart on Pepe and zoom out, you can clearly see it's at a real all-time high right now. We pretty much had this huge candle right over here, pretty much following the Ethereum God candle that we had yesterday because of all the speculation on the Ethereum ETF. Hopefully some of you guys out there have also been accumulating some Pepe. Like, we broke through this all-time high right over here with one fat candle, but I think we've still got a good ways to go, so I'll definitely be holding on to Pepe a little longer. And if we get a dip, maybe, let's see, if we get a dip to maybe around the green, orange, red, or gray line, I'll probably be buying up a couple of the dips too. So as always, not financial advice, just telling you a little bit about what I'm doing right now. And I also wanted to go over Ponky real quick too, just because it's been going absolutely ham this week. I'm on the 15-minute chart over here, and you'll see we pretty much had this nice little dip going down yesterday, and I was honestly buying up a couple of these dips too. We're right back over here, right near its all-time high again today, like right now. Like I said before, Ponky's pretty much one of my favorite memes, like all around. It's probably one of the meme coins I'm most bullish on for this cycle. Like, if you'll notice, the holder wallet count is up about 500 from yesterday, and looks like our liquidity pool went up from 5.2 to 5.4. and market cap went up from 206 to 231. So things are definitely looking good for Ponky. But other than this, I kind of wanted to go over the whole idea of catching market narratives before they're like really popular and start exploding. Like, a couple of the cool ones I can think about right off the bat would be Crody right over here. Like, all of this happened right when that rap battle with Drake and Kendrick started happening, and we haven't really had too much action in the rap battle, so it's kind of steadied down for a little bit. So with the rap battle, no one could have really saw that coming, right? It kind of just happened. If you had the coin, you were lucky and you kind of got to go through this, or if you caught it early enough. But we've also got the political narrative. Like, for example, we got Joe Biden, who's been doing pretty damn well and steady for a while now. Like, this spans from the beginning of March to now, which is almost near the end of May. And you can see it's got a pretty decent resistance line down here. You got a $3.6 million liquidity pool. So I think Joe Biden's probably one of the most popular political coins right now, right under, I think Trump is probably number 2. But yeah, these tokens have really huge liquidity pools and market caps, and sometimes tend to follow the news, like, relative to what these guys do. So definitely a cool narrative to keep in mind for this year, since it is an election year. Something I've been keeping my eye on is Conan. It's on the ETH network, and it's supposed to be Donald Trump's dog. I know a lot of other influencers and YouTubers have been getting into Conan pretty much most of last month. So yeah, the whole idea is that this could probably blow up closer to election times. I kind of think this might be a good call too, because I think it's a possibility that closer to election times, a lot of people are going to be swooping up some of these political meme coins like Trump and Biden. But dogs and cats have been a way more popular, like, overall narrative in the meme coin space, right? So what do you think people are going to be more interested in buying? Trump's dog or a token of Trump himself, right? I kind of have a feeling that a lot of people would be more down to buy the dog coin than the actual Trump coin. So I think that's got some potential. And while I'm on the topic of Trump's dog, I also want to go over Commander. So I covered this video on Instagram a little while ago too. Looks like it got started right around the beginning of the year in January, and it's been pretty much a dead token for most of the year. But I remember somewhere around here, let me reset this. So back right around here is when Crody started blowing up. That's when I think it was pulling off something like a 10 or 11x. So pretty much over the next 2 or 3 days, people started to ape into a lot of other, like, pet coins, right? And Commander was one of them. When the token started getting a little bit of traction, the devs started pumping out some actual ads on the token. They started posting a lot on Instagram. They started posting a lot on Twitter, commenting on other people's posts and stuff like that. And they were able to get a pretty good amount of traction just from that. I'm not sure what else they did, but we did get some pretty cool action, like, right after Crody started blowing up. But we pretty much steadied out over here. Looks like I made this drawing somewhere around the 12th or the 13th, and I kind of predicted that it would, like, either steady out, kind of bottom out to back around where it was over here, or just start steadily picking up, like, a good amount of, like, real holders. And from the charts, it's looking kind of cool. We're right around here right now, and looks like that might tip maybe around here. So I think this is looking pretty cool. We had some like major action right over here, but things are looking kind of steady around here. We're chilling at a really low liquidity pool and a super small market cap right now. So I have a really good feeling about this token. It's super small. This is all just speculative, right? But definitely let me know what you guys think. I did a little bit of research into the dog itself, and he's kind of been in the news since I guess he's been biting people in the White House, and I think he also got kicked out of the White House at some point. And maybe, oh, I guess this is a picture of when he first moved into the White House. But yeah, I think it's got some potential. You know, if something else happens and Commander ends up being in the news again, I think it could be a cool opportunity. So I think these are some cool ideas with the whole political and pet narratives. The last one I wanted to go over real quick is the next month on the calendar is June. So what's coming up in June? The main thing I can think of is that June is going to be Pride Month. So I can totally see some of these like Pride related tokens blowing up. Like depending on which one and which like specific like sub narrative stands out the most. One that I've been kind of checking out and monitoring lately is MAGA, Make America Great Again. Or no, wait, Make America Gay Again. Looks like the token's not even a month old, but we do have a lock liquidity. We have a little bit of a pump over here. It's possible that this right here could be our bottom. Something around here maybe could be our bottom for this chart, but I definitely have a good feeling that the Pride narrative is going to be big in June. So this is pretty much the main Pride token I've been keeping my eye on right now, just because the chart's looking pretty decent, and I've also heard a lot of other people mention this token, so it could be cool. I'm definitely going to be keeping a close eye on this chart and try to ape in sometime where I feel like there's a good opportunity. And the last thing I wanted to go over real quick are like dying narratives, specifically cat coins. Like overall, I don't think cat coins are ever going to really die off like that, but if you guys have been on the dexes for April and May, you guys know there's been like a shit ton of extra cat coins, and I know scammers have definitely been taking advantage of that whole narrative too, like just making like really shitty coins with decent graphics and kind of like playing into the current narratives of what's happening. Because I know there's been like a lot of like dog with hat knockoffs. I know there's been like a cat with hat and all sorts of crazy stuff. So I think the cat narrative might be dying off just a little bit. Could be wrong, but I know scammers are taking advantage of the narrative too, so definitely watch out for like dog and cat coins. I pulled up a Ponky cat over here just because I saw this a little earlier. It just looked so dumb. Like it's Ponky, but it's a cat. Like it's kind of stupid. So yeah, if you guys have anything to add, definitely leave it in the comments. I'm definitely curious to know if you guys have any good ideas for like June related, Pride related tokens. So leave it in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.